Hi student. So after going through the 6 steps involved in problem solving of rate of change questions, so let's take a look how this 6 step is being applied. So step 1 they say write down the rates of change given. What does this mean? You can see over in this question, they say the radius of a circle increases at a rate of 3 cm per second. So this part, okay, 3 cm per second, which means is cm per second. So this will be, and its radius, so this will be over dt. So this is dr over dt. Okay, we are asked to find the rate of increase of the area. Rate of increase, so it must be something dt, and area is dA. Okay, which means that, okay, we need to have a function in A, or formula in A. So which means that then this one is a circle. So we have to write down the formula of area of circle. So area of circle is A equals to pi r square. So you can see that's why I've given you 4 documents about the area on volume. Okay, because these are the only 2 things we can, during assessment, we can assess. So area of circle is pi r square. So with this, we have to try to link these 3. Okay, dA over dt, dr over dt into the rate of change formula. So the procedure is, if we differentiate the area formula, we will be getting dA over dr. So if we differentiate this, 2 pi r. So which means our rate of change formula, okay, will be dA over dr. Okay, you can see this denominator must be multiplied by the same of the numerator. Okay, then my numerator of this differentiated one will be on the left side of the rate of change formula. So this is the rate of change equation. This is very important because without this formula, we cannot proceed on with the question. So this will be our step 3. Okay, these are our step 2, step 1. Okay, then this is our step Okay, so where is step 2? This is the step 2. Okay, which is write down the formula to link the 2 variable. Okay, then our step 4, they say substitute the value of given variable into the expression in step 3. So what does this mean? We have the dr over dt, which is 3. So here times 3. Okay, dA over dr is 2 pi. Our r given is this, so it's 5. So which means that over here we'll have 30 pi centimeter square per second. So this is what they want, rate of increase of area. This for part 1. Then for part 2, okay, for part 2, they say same thing, but now the area is 4 pi, which means now area equals to 4 pi. Okay, which means that 4 pi equals to pi r square. So my r equals to 2. Why I'm finding r is because, okay, we need the r for this 2 pi r. So with that, okay, we proceed on to write down the rate of change equation again. dA over dr times dr over dt, then dA over dt. Take note, okay, this is actually a chain rule, okay, but if you want to imagine this like your normal multiplication, you can, just that you have to be mindful. The main concept of this is still chain rule. So in actual fact is that you can see if we perform a cross multiplication, this 2 is being cancelled diagonally, and this numerator left over dA and dt will give us on my left hand side. So with this, okay, we will have our 2 pi, radius is 2, times the dr over dt, which is 3. So this is equals to 12 pi centimeter square per second. Okay, thank you.